Woodworking projects for kids. Looking for woodworking projects for kids? If you want your kids to learn how to make some craft projects with wood, this is your list. Before going into the video, discover the world's largest database of 16,000 woodworking projects with step-by-step plans even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Click the first link in our description to get access to the plans. Now let's get into today's video. Easy woodworking projects for kids to make. 1. Homemade catapult. Dowels, rubber bands, a plastic cup, some small balls, and you've got yourself a DIY catapult. The process and aftermath will be awesome. 2. DIY nail string art. I won't really recommend your kid to do the hammering, but you can have him help out with the strings. It'll be a fun time for the kids to get the strings done in this DIY nail string art. 3. DIY board game mounted storage. Organize your board games and make it a craft decor with this DIY board game mounted storage. No nails required, just some wood panels and Gorilla Glue. 4. DIY wooden toy camera. Kids love to take pictures and play with cameras, but you can't just let them use the real one. Keep yours safe by helping them make a DIY wooden toy camera. 5. Balsa wood fall wind chimes. This wood project is colorful and fun. Balsa wood is easy to manipulate, so your kids can have a great time playing with it. If you let them, I'm sure you'll have tons of wind chimes around the house. 6. DIY Angry Birds Birdhouse. Who doesn't know this popular game? This Angry Birds project has some easy-to-do paint jobs your little one will enjoy. Go crazy with designing by using these Arteza markers. The birds won't get angry when you build them this DIY birdhouse. 7. DIY Wooden Robot Buddy. This will prove that you can make robots out of anything. Allow your kids to get creative with wooden blocks of different sizes to make this DIY wooden robot buddy. 8. Easy wood sculptures for kids. Here's another beautiful craft project from wood pieces of various shapes. Wood scraps, glue, some paint, and your kids' creativity is all it takes to make one stunning sculpture. 9. DIY wood frame. This DIY wood frame is a great holder for their artwork. Kids would surely want to display their handiwork as soon as the project is done. 10. Crayon holder. Kids will always have crayons lying around. This wooden crayon holder will make a neat solution. Help them with the drill and it's as good as done. And don't forget to check out Earth's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking projects by clicking the first link in our description. If you like the video, then make sure to hit that like button. Also, if you want more woodworking tutorials, please consider subscribing our channel for more contents every day. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of this video in the comments below.